Hello, welcome to video. My name is Fleurken. Scarlet macaw is a large yellow, red, and blue Central and South American parrot, a member of a large group of New-Persian parrots called macaws. It is native humid valley foresting of the Northeast. Its range extends from southeast Mexico to Peru, Ecuador, Colombia, Bolivia, Venezuela, and Brazil. In lowlands of 15 feet at last formally up to 1000 millimeters. The India purple, also known as the common purple and blue purple, is a purple species native to the India subcontinent. It has been introduced to many other countries. Male people are referred to as pigs, and female pixies are referred to as peons. Adult both sexes are often referred to colloquially as a peacock. So that beautiful birds. This is from India. Golden peasant, also known as the cheesiest peasant and rainbow peasant, is gammiverse of the order Galliformes galliformes and the family Passion in the peasants. The genus name is from pigeon. Is a bird found on a small island and on coastal regions from the Andaman and Nicobar Isles, India, east throughout the Malay archipelago to the Solomons and Palau. Is the only living member of genus Calaons alone gets the exact. Mandarin duck, a Persian duck species native to the East Palearctic. It's a medium-sized to the North American wood duck, the only other member of the genus X. X is an ancient Greek word which was used by Aristotle to refer to an echino-diving bird, and Galericolet is the tocotauchen, also known as the common toucan or genus toucan, is the largest and probably the best known species in the toucan family. It is found in semi-open habitats throughout. Birds of paradise of member of the family paradise of the other passeriformes. The majority of species are found in Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, and Australia. The family has 45 species in 17 genera. The members of this family are perfect becano for the plumage of the males of the species, the majority of which are exactly dimorphic. Lilac-breasted roller is an African bird of the roller family. Crodis is a widely distributed is southern and eastern Africa and is a vagrant to the southern Arabic Peninsula. Its perfect open woodland and savanna, and it is for Goldlion fins, also known as the Lady Goldlion fins, Goldlion fins, or the robin finch, is a colorful passenger bird that is native to Australia. That is a beautiful bird and very small and cute. The roosters spoonbill, a gregarious wading bird of the ibis and the spoonbill family. Theoretically, it is a resident breeder in both South and North America. The roasted spoonbill's pink color is the reverse countdown of the carotene pigment Cadoxanthin